All right, Tam fam. That feels really narcissistic, but I'm going to say it because it makes you happy. So today what I'm going to show you is how to print a document into your OneNote. So for today, we're really interested in printing your lab because that's what I want you to print, but you can do this with anything, and it's a nice way of keeping your notes organized. So I'm actually going to do it by just going right into Ari's submit folder. So for today, I'll pretend I'm Ari and I'm going to click on the Solubility Lab AOL, and I've already created this page for you. So all you need to do is print to this page. So I'm going to open up my lab document. And it's doing funny things right now. So there it is. I'm going to pretend this is my lab document that I want to print in. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press the print sign. So now that I'm in the print options, it's actually already on send to OneNote because I had just showed you this in class. But if it wasn't on that, then you need to find that option, okay? So you're just going to click on send to OneNote, and then you're just going to print it like a regular document. What you're going to notice happens a few moments after you press print is if you look down here at OneNote, it starts to go a funny color. So if I open it up, there's actually this little dialog box, and this is for me to select where I want it to go. Since I was already on the page I wanted to print it to, that page actually shows up. But if I wanted to find that page, then I could go down, I could find Ari Wilder, submit, and then if I click on this little plus sign, it'll let me select the page. So I'm going to select the Solubility Lab, and I'm just going to double click it, and then it's just going to print to this destination. So there it is. If I know a couple of you were having issues because your OneNote wasn't up to date or it was a different version, you should go and talk to IT about that. But in the meantime, I'll show you another way that you can submit it if this isn't working. So if you just go again to your Google Doc and then just click on this little share button. Once you click on the share button, just click on get shareable link. And then if you could just do me a favor and change it to anyone at Branksome Hall with the link can comment because I will want to comment on your lab to give you a little bit of feedback. So then you can just copy this link, press done, and then just go to your OneNote and just put this link in for me. So again, if you printed your lab, you don't need to do that. But if you couldn't print your lab, if that wasn't working, then this can be a backup that will work. And then I can just print your lab for you or I can comment right on it. So that's how you do it. I hope that was helpful and I hope everybody's having a great weekend. Bye.